देखो हम सीड बीड्स और 4mm ग्लास बीड्स का इस्तेमाल करके एकदम ट्रेडिशनल लुक वाली या पार्टी वेयर इयररिंग्स बना रहे हैं। तो उसके लिए मैं पहले तो ये लूँगी कॉटन का एक फैब्रिक लूँगी, जिसको मैं ऐसे टच करके इस पे पहले मैं हाफ राउंड हाफ सर्कल ड्रॉ करूँगी, जिसकी बॉर्डर पे मैं ये गोल्डन कलर के जैको बीड्स जो है वो सुई धागे की मदद से मैं बीड्स में टच करूँगी। ये हाफ ओवल सर्कल में ये जैको बीड्स अटैच होने के बाद अब मैं इसमें 4mm बीड्स ग्लास बीड्स लूँगी और बीच में कुछ 3, 4, 5 ऐसे जैको बीड्स एंटर करके मैं टोटल पूरा जो मैंने हाफ ओवल बनाया है उस पर ये पूरा सर्कल हाफ सर्कल जो है मैं से बनाऊँगी। देखिए, just watch the video till the end and let you see that how I'm applying the beads in the half circle. The look of design is most important to you to watch till the end the video, and let's see how I am imagining the design. The design is important, and the design is in the mind we create, and now put it any copy here. So let's see what it happen. Can you imagine that this earrings turning looks very gorgeous after making it? So wait and watch. Wait the video and wait for the end the video and look the earrings stunning, looking shimmering. I know the earrings got a shimmering look on every outfit, every outfit, traditional, western, every outfit. How at last the earrings are ready, and I put jacko beads in the gap of the middle. I took 4 jacko golden beads and attach stitch is well and neatly. Wait, I think my stitching almost done and the earrings almost done. Now I am in final finishing. I am stick it with B7000 glue, studs and the cardboard with the half oval cardboard, and this is the look. I stick the B1000 glue very well all over the full area cover up, and I am folding the fabric with to the glue and stick it well and neat. After the finishing and completing the full earrings process, this is the look. Please comment how making the earring I am. It means I mean to say that what a look. I know I am very satisfied with my creation, and please comment how it is. If you're satisfied with my creation, please like, share and comment. At least one process will be done.